Hi, I'm Eulalia. We are here on the ISE, and we are Marvut, and we have the human hologram. This is a product that works with two fans and with LED lights, and it makes possible to show the image that you want. You can project here 3D images, videos, GIFs, and we also have light motion who works with a digital sensor, and you can apply this to control the images, and you can interactive with the image that shows here. We are a Spanish company, and we develop digital solutions for companies. We develop software, we work with 3D images, we work with digital reality, virtual reality, and that's all. I hope you like it. Our website is Marvut Technologies. In LinkedIn, on Instagram, and on Twitter, you can find us as Marvut Technologies. Thank you very much.